Hey guys, welcome back to Slumdog. This is another day, another video, another street dog. So we prepared chicken biryani for this Indian street dog. So nearby my home, a street dog is there. So we prepared some biryani for street dog. As you can see here, it's completely clean on the floor, no problem. We given some food for a street dog. There's some chicken also available in this biryani. Biryani is an Indian recipe. If you don't know about the Indian recipe, you can check it in Google. Biryani is very famous in India. So this dog is really friendly for me because it's completely rescuing our area. Means its surroundings is completely safe. Safe. It's like uh, this dog is like our security guard nearby my home. Actually, this dog name is Rocky. So we prepare every time if we prepare anything, any food, we are also giving to this street dog also. So that is it, guys. Hope you see everything is completed by this dog only. It's secure. My nearby location is completely secured with this dog. Yeah, yeah. Complete this. Everything you should complete. Okay. What happened? What happened? You should complete this. What what you're thinking, man? Come back. What happened? Will you come again or not? Yeah, you should complete everything. Hmm. Good boy. Hmm. All chicken bones are completed, so that's why you are lefting, huh? Tell me. Yes, definitely. You completed all the chicken pieces, leg bones. So now we are going. You should complete everything. Otherwise, you have to complete at least midnight when you are hungry. Please come and clean this everything. Okay? Otherwise, better to complete now. Small dog. Good boy. What happened again? Will you come again or not? Where you are going, man? Wait, you should complete. You have to come again, and you should complete this. Okay? Even though when you are hungry, you should complete everything. Otherwise, morning crows will come. They will eat. No problem. I never feed you again. For more dog satisfaction videos, please do subscribe and don't forget to like our video.